This time on the Home Strategist, 5 strategic ways you can build value and equity quickly, even without a bunch of DIY skills. You don't need to be a contractor or a handyman to add value to your home that will pay off when it comes time to sell. Stay tuned for the details. I'm Dr. C, and you're watching the Home Strategist. For the 5 strategic ways you can build value and equity in a home quickly, let's start with one of the easy ones. For interior paint, we're talking about neutral, broadly appealing colors. One consistent color palette throughout the house, not a clown show of colors. Refresh your trim, your doors, baseboards, pantry shelves, and other visible surfaces. This is about cleanliness and perception. And that sometimes requires that people set aside their personal preferences in favor of market appeal. Paint doesn't add square footage, but it absolutely adds value. For some folks, exterior upgrades are even easier than interior. It's a fact that the number one home upgrade on a number of different lists is a garage door replacement. But do you really need to spend thousands of dollars on a replacement when a coat of paint on an existing garage door transforms the curb appeal of a home? How about repainting or refreshing your front door with an attractive color? Pressure wash decks, porches, and siding. Buyers decide how they feel about a house before they ever walk inside. Here's another outdoor upgrade. Clean plantings. Trim them up or plant new. Fresh mulch or rock. Defined edges around your exterior landscaping. And please remove the dead stuff. Here's the best part. This often only requires a shovel and a little bit of elbow grease. This isn't about making it fancy, it's about making it pleasing to the eye. This one is hugely underrated and equally fast. Swap out entry lights, kitchen and dining fixtures, bathroom vanity lights, no more Hollywood dressing room look, dirty, scratched, or dated outlet and switch covers. Keep it simple and color scheme consistent. Look, outdated electrical fixtures are cringy, and they date a home as badly as anything. And this also improves photography if the home ever gets listed. This absolutely belongs on the list, and it's also one of the easiest upgrades. Cabinet and drawer pulls, door handles and hinges, bathroom mirrors, towel bars, and paper holders. It modernizes without remodeling because it signals care and cohesion, and it's a huge bang for the buck. Permanent details say quality, even when buyers don't consciously notice them. As a bonus, let's include some flooring upgrades. How about professional carpet cleaning? If necessary, replace only the worn rooms. Beat up transition strips need to be updated and repaired. Repair damaged planks or tiles. You don't have to replace floors to change how the floors feel. Here's the key. These don't all have to be attacked at once, but be smart and strategic about how you do it. For example, if you decide to paint walls and ceilings, that's also a great time to change out light fixtures, electrical covers, and certain hardware items. It saves you from having to paint around them. Most importantly, these are all upgrades you can start to initiate on your very first weekend in a new home. Thanks for checking out the Home Strategist. If you appreciated this content, give us a like, drop us a comment, and please subscribe to the channel.